welcome back to another video. Something a bit different today. 1 second. Let me show you. I got some gel polishes off Amazon a couple of months ago now from this brand, Paramiss. This is just the top and base. I threw the box away from the gel polishes. And I did a swatch video on the gel polishes. And they reached out to me, they messaged me and asked me if they could send me their new product a couple of weeks ago. So I gave them my address and the new product has turned up. This is it, and it is Paramiss lip gloss making kit. Something completely different from my channel. I do wear makeup, I won't leave the house without my makeup on, but I don't put it on my channel. But I just thought it might be something a bit different, a bit fun, and some of you lot might like it. So I'm going to open it and we'll see what's in it. So these are for sale on Amazon. I'll leave the link below. Right, so this is the kit. DIY lip gloss making kit. So let's see what it says. So that's got... Right, so this gives you all the information you need, how much pigment you need to put in and how much lip gloss base, if you want to make a lipstick, yada yada yada. You need beeswax for the lipstick, and anyway, it gives you quite good instructions actually. It tells you everything that's in the package. It's got some pictures to tell you how to do it. So let's have a look what's in it to start with first. Right, so first I can see some pigment powders. Let's have a look. I've got gloves on because I don't fancy getting sticky and all that kind of stuff. Right, so this is the first one. These look like they're matte as well. They haven't got a shimmer. Let me get my camera higher up. Right, I've just moved that up a bit higher because you can't really see it. So yeah, these look like matte pigments. So there's that one. It's a nice pink colour. And then there's this one. It's a bit of a darker pink, like a rose kind of pinky red. They are different. Then we've got a couple of nudie brown ones, them colours. And then there's this kind of peachy. It looks a lot browner on camera, but it's a bit of a peachy colour actually. And then this looks like a nice white shimmery one. That looks very pretty. Right, so there's those pigment powders. Right, so these look like pigment powders as well. Let's get these out. Actually, looking at these, I think these are the same as what comes in the packet. I think this is just extra that they've put in, because there's the white shimmery one. Yeah, and there's the brownie coloured ones. So let's have a look. See, this is what I didn't want all over my hands. That's why I've got gloves on. Yeah, I think these are just extra to refill these once you've used them. Right, so they've got a little thing to get the pigment out. Cool. Right, let's stick them back in for now. I like this white one. This white one's really nice. Should have put a little bit on my hand. Oh shit, I didn't mean to put that much. Look at that. It's beautiful. I'm going to have to tip this into my... Oh, look. It's really not shimmering on camera like it's shimmering here. That's beautiful. That's really nice. Right, let me move these because these are what's getting everything covered. Right, so this is your lip gloss base. So it's just clear, 5 ounce. Look at that. Great for lip gloss, lip glaze. It has a high moisturising properties. It can be used to improve emolliency in lotions, as well as to thicken things. Mixes best into vegetable oils and methycones. Shelf life is indefinite. It's got all your ingredients there. Cool. Right, so I think that's to fill up. I think these are to fill up these piping bags. Fill up with the lip gloss, I think, to get into these little tubes. Right, so we've got a little measuring jug. Right, so we've got these. So these are the tubes that you put it in, aren't they? And they've got all different things on them. There's a strawberry one. That looks like lemon, watermelon, raspberry. So there's all different tubes. That's the tubes. Right, and it just comes with one essential oil. I think for all these different flavours, you'd have to have some more essential oils. Now it does say that the essential oils that it comes with is random, and I can tell without even checking. This is chocolate. This is chocolate. Chocolate? Yeah, add a drop of chocolate essential oil. Now, I love eating chocolate, but I'm not going to fancy putting chocolate lip gloss on my lips. I don't think. Now, that's just a personal preference. I don't fancy chocolate. So, we're going to have a little mixy-wixy. I'm going to make myself, I think I'll do this strawberry one, and then I can put my own strawberry essential oil in it, because I want to use some of the pink. So let me get set up and we'll have a little mixy-wixy. Right, so I've got out some of the rose pink and some of, I think we'll put a bit of the white shimmer in it as well. See what that does. Right, so let's get this lip gloss base open. Right, I don't know how much this holds. Right, we'll just go for about 20 or something there. So I'm just going to pour some of this in, or squeeze some of it in. I don't want to do too much. I think that's going to be enough, isn't it? For this one, just to do one tube for now. I think that's going to be enough. Do you think? Or not enough? I think a little bit more. Right, that'll do. That'll do. If we need more, we can always add more, can't we? Gosh, that's not even touched the surface. There's loads in there. Loads. Right. So, let's put some of the pink in first, shall we? Does this smell of anything? No. Right, let's get some of this pink in. Right, I'm not going to go overboard. I'm just going to try a little. I don't want it bright pink. Oh, sugar. Right, let's mix that first, see what that does. Oh, gosh. I want it to have a bit of a tint, but I don't want it to look like I've got a red lipstick on. Did you see how much I put in there? A teeny weeny bit, and look. Teeny bit. Right, I think that'll do. I don't want it any redder than that. Right, should we put a bit of this white in? Right, I don't want to go overboard with this. Just a little sprinkle. Oh! Oh, that wasn't as bad. That wasn't as bad. I think we could get away with a little bit more of that. I think. Let's try that. This is so much fun. I like it. Yeah, I like that. Not too much. Can you see the little shimmer in it? Just gives it a tiny little bit of a shimmer. Can you see? Right, now we've got to get it into this tube. I wonder if I could use a pipette. No, I don't. I think it's too thick for a pipette. Right, let me get the lids on these. And we'll have to put it into the piping bag that it came with. Right. So let's get this off. Well, that comes out quite easily. Right, so I need to get it into this piping bag. Right, let's go. It's very sloppy. This is so difficult. I feel like I'm baking a cake. Right, let's try and get these last bits out. I don't want to waste any. Right, I think we've got it all. Right, let's move that. I'm going to have to snip the end off or not, don't I? Right, now let's push it up. Oh, right, so let's get it squeezed in. Look at it. This is such good fun, guys. It really is. Oh, there's plenty there. Plenty. It's probably that little tiny amount I put in. I didn't even put in to where it says 10. It's probably 3/4 of the way filled it. Right, let's get this lid on. This is so cool. Look, I've got my own lip gloss. Right, I'm not showing you my lips, obviously. I'm not putting it on my face. That's one thing I am not doing. So let's see what it's going to look like. Sorry guys, I'm not showing you my lips. My lips on my face. Oh look, that's perfect, because I didn't want it to look like I've got a red lipstick on, but I wanted it. Let me put it on my lips so I can actually tell you what it feels like. Oh, I like it. I like it. I wish I had some strawberry oil. I like it. That's so cool. So cool. And it's got a teeny weeny little bit of a shimmer. Not much, but just nice and subtle. Let me look in the mirror so I can tell you what it looks like. It looks nice. It doesn't look like I've got bright lipstick or anything on. It's just give it a nice little tinge, it has. I put just the right amount of colouring in that. Anything brighter, I wouldn't have liked it. I love it. And it feels really nice. It doesn't feel like it's going to be gone in 5 minutes. It feels really nice. If I'm feeling brave, I will put a picture up at the end. It's only going to be a quick... I don't know why I'm going to bother doing a quick... because you can just pause it and stare at it for as long as you want. Only if I'm feeling brave. But I really, really like it. And I would never have thought to have bought something like this. But I really, really like it. And you can always buy extra tubes of these. I've seen empty tubes like this all over AliExpress and Amazon and eBay. The world's your oyster with this. You could put any colours in it, any flavours. I think that's really, really good fun. That would make a brilliant little gift for someone that loves makeup and, you know, is into arts and craftsy stuff like me. Because I really enjoyed that and I'm going to have good fun with it. How many of them did it come with? 1, 2, 3. Right, so it came with 6 of them and 6 different pigments and the shimmery one. And then it's got the extra bags for when you run out. But I really like it. I do. I'm really impressed. Anyway, guys, that's it for today. Something a bit different. Let me know what you think. I'll leave the link to this in my description box. Yeah, I really enjoyed that. But anyway, guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell as well so you never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.